How to sort Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'll show you guys how you can simply sort Yahoo Mail on your device. Firstly, go on any browser you have and type www.yahoo.com. Make sure that you are logged in. This page. After that, you will be appeared to this home page from which you have to click on the message box-like icon in the upper right corner. Now, you will be appeared to your inbox in Yahoo Mail. From here, you can sort your emails. Tap on the sort option in the upper right corner as shown by the arrow. You can choose any option from the list to sort your emails. For instance, I have chosen subject to sort my emails, and my emails will be sorted according to this object. Now, that's it. This is how in easy steps you can sort your emails in Yahoo Mail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative content. We'll see you on the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.